Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this gorgeous, beautiful hair. This is, I was going to call it curly hair, but I feel like it's more of a wavy texture. I didn't do anything to it but put a little bit of bio oil in it. I didn't co-wash it or anything. Like, this is it fresh out the box, and I decided to leave it in this pattern because this pattern looks so pretty. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. So I'm back with a baldy, and I'm gonna just show you guys the hair. I just want to double, like, make sure that you guys know that it's like straight out the bag. There's a little smell to it, but nothing crazy. Definitely HD lace. This has got to be water wave, and let me give you guys a close-up of the lace. It looks amazing. It's definitely a 13x4, so unsure if I'm gonna do just a regular middle part or a side part with it. Also sent me an HD cap. Oh, a silk scarf. This is what you guys tie your hair down with at night, you guys. Not a melt band, a silk scarf. As far as the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the little clips and the band. I don't like to wear bands in my wig for some reason. Like, it just pulls on me. It just gives me a headache. Like, it's too much compression. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the wig on my head, and then I'm just gonna skim through this part of just me like putting down the glue. I'm gonna do 3 layers of glue because I'm going to my family reunion. So yeah, my Ruby Kiss concealer and put that on the lace. So the hair came already parted in the middle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just follow the middle part and lay my wig evenly. And I am going to be putting it forward because I want me a small forehead. You guys remember me from like the very beginning. I started off using Ghost Bond. That was one of the first lace glues I ever used, but I am out of glues and my glue hasn't come back yet. So hasn't come back in stock, so I'm going to be using this glue. I'm gonna start using these to lay my hair down because this gets it like seamlessly flat. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry clear. Once it dries clear, I'm gonna go ahead and put my second coat, and I'm gonna do 2 more coats. So I'll come back once it's completely dry. To my family reunion this weekend. I live in Florida. Hey, it's like 100 degrees outside. Like, it's outside feels like a sauna, okay? Like a sauna. Call me crazy, but I'm feeling it with no baby hairs. Will I do no baby? I don't know. I'm not that type of girl. Like, I'm not that type of girl. I'm not like that classy. Like, I'm like a classy, sexy red. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not. But it's eating with no baby hairs. That's not me. It's not me. Like, I can't do it. It's not me. I'm gonna put the band on and get started. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the band now. And everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. So this is my melt spray, and you guys can purchase this melt spray off my website, www.sochar.co. I don't spray directly to the lace. You can, but I feel like that oversaturates it. I spray to my finger and then tap, tap, tap. Okay. Oh, it's melty, y'all. Ah! Listen, I wish I could like film these live so I could get everybody's opinion. Like, y'all, it's eating with no baby hairs. Like, if I just like hot comb the top to my likings, do y'all think I should do like a no baby hair look? Alright, we gonna do the baby hairs. Like, let me stop lying. Just because, like, y'all, like, no baby hairs, like, it don't last long. I'm sorry. It doesn't last long at all. I'm not me without a baby hair. Like, it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just do some plucking of the actual lace and just over here. There's not any little hairs in my way. Now, I'm gonna take my scissors and get the cut in. Get the curl in now. That was a very easy curl. And now I'm going to take my baby hair goo, and I got me a little protection seal on it. And I hate when all the product slides to the top of that protection seal. It's easy to really just scrape it off and put it back into the jar, because we don't waste baby hair glue around here. I need my razor. So now I'm gonna take my razor and I'm just gonna trim it. Trim my baby hairs down. A reason why I don't do it while it's long is because I don't want to burn myself when I'm curling my baby hairs. And if I need to cut shorter, I will do that as I go. like the really fluffy baby hairs. I don't want it to be too hard. So I'll also take some of my melt spray just to wet it up a little bit without adding more product. Alright, you guys, so I was going to do like a slick back look, but I'm really feeling the texture of the hair and how it looks just like in my face and just curled and stuff. Like I'm feeling the curled pieces and this really cute messy look. So I'm gonna stick to that look, and I'm just gonna tease out the hair, but not too much, but like, yeah, give it that look. So we are done. I am going to now define my hair and part it. I'm gonna go in between the creases of my hair to really give it a nice, you know, look. And I'm also gonna spray my part with some of my melt spray, just so I can like really get me like perfect crispy look, if you get what I'm saying. I'm just gonna put a little bit of bio oil all up on it, like all through my baby hairs. And all through the hair itself. So this is how it looks. It is 28 inches, so it comes down to like right by my stomach right here. But y'all, it looks so good. It looks so pretty. Listen, I love this. It's so cute. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you guys check out Yolissa Hair for this incredible install. Keep in mind that the hair was already bleached, already plucked, and ready to install. It is a low maintenance type of hair, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna wear this my whole family reunion weekend, which is this weekend starting Friday. Today is Wednesday, so I will be vlogging, so you guys will be able to see how the hair holds up and all that good stuff. Y'all, I didn't even have to part my, I didn't even have to put makeup down to part. This hair is tea, peppermint tea. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.